teachers, we have a treasure called Office 365. One of its diamonds is OneNote. It helps teachers to stay organized and put all their work on one place. Teachers can collaborate with each other or with their students. They can make meetings, lesson plans, or give homework to their students. You can add a new notebook from here. Write its name and press Create. You can add new section from here and add pages to your section from here. This is my project Stop Bullying. In the introduction card, I make 3 pages. The first page is Educator's CV. I write all this information about me. Using Home tab, you can control on the font size and make it bold, italic, and so on as any other Office application. If you want to insert a link, go to Insert tab and press the link and put your link here and press OK. You can insert picture from file on your computer or can insert picture online. You can also insert file print out or insert file as attachment. Also, you can insert symbol, emoji, forms, education resources, and stickers. You can check your achieved objectives. Right-click here and press To Do and check the empty box. Here I record a message to my dear student from Insert, then press Record Audio. After record your message, press Stop. One of the wonderful features in OneNote is collaboration. From Share here, you can share the link with your student. They can edit this OneNote with you. If you don't want anyone to edit with you, you want just view, click here and uncheck the box here. Then apply. Copy the link and send it to anyone you want. Thank you.